Hello YouTubeinators, welcome to the bird's nest. I have a solution today for my problem. I need some metal for the car to do some repair, and I figured what better than to use metal from the car. Let me show you. It's a little messed up, but that is a deck lid off of the car. One of the trunk lids when it used to go racing, and it had hood pins, holding it in and stuff, you know. Okay, so there's some paint stripper. If you have a college education, you probably know better. If you don't, you probably shouldn't be doing this. Okay, well, I decided to read the directions, and it says put on a thick coat in one direction only, and so I'm going to kind of add more and go in one direction only. Okay, so there it is. Look at all the junk. I kind of scraped it off. There's a big pile of junk over here. That's all the top layer of real paint. I waited over a half hour before I came out here to scrape, but it brought me down to this layer here, which is primer and sealer, which is okay, really. That's fine. I can work with that. Okay, so rather than cut it, all I did was grind the edge off it so it would split, which is the opposite of what I was doing in the trunk. I was putting it together. Here I'm taking it apart. So I have to cut it. I just split all the edges. Okay, so I ground the material thickness away. You see it starting to split, stuff like that. It might just come apart. There you go. It just comes apart. There you go. That's what the inside of a trunk lid looks like. All right. Okay, so there's the two pieces, top and bottom. You see the reinforcements for the hinge, reinforcement for the lock and stuff, and whatever. And down here I've got this rusty material, which ain't bad. I can clean that up. I can use a lot of that. It's gonna serve me a purpose. Okay, so it does have a shape to it. You know, you can't deny that. Okay, so I made me a template. Wanted one that fits real good. That's made me a template to fit that top corner. And then we come over here and we look at this, and you know, nothing's ever square on a car. I can't see what I'm doing because of the sun, but that's amazingly close and stuff. Doesn't do me any good because of all of this right here, the material. I need that material. I need it square all the way down here. I need it from here to here is what I need to make me a piece. And if can't do it like that, you come over here. So here we got a straight edge, so I could do it like that, cut that out, and then I'd have the beginnings of my pattern. Simple enough, I suppose.
The sun don't shine, the moon don't move, the time's too much weekly. Sun don't shine, the moon don't move, the time's too much weekly. So unforgiving, and why so cold? Been a long time crossing bridge of sighs. Cold wind blows, and God's look down in anger on this poor child. Why so unforgiving, and why so